It made my hair curly, hey. Yeah guys, look at that. What's up Lions, it's your boy Twin Salvador, and in this video guys, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to get curly hair. If you guys have straight hair, maybe wavy hair, and you want to get more curly hair, because you know curly hair makes your hair look more thick, more voluminous, then this video is for you. I know I already done a video about how to get curly hair. You can check it out, first link in the description. The other video I used like a whole bunch of hair ties to make my hair curly. But in this video, I'm going to teach you a faster way on how to get curls. In this video, you're going to need a curling cream in order to make your hair curly. But in my other video, I taught you guys how to get curly hair without any curling cream or any products. So if you guys don't have any curling cream, go check out my other video. So the only thing you need for this video is, you know, a curling cream. So it doesn't matter what curling cream you have. Honestly, they all work. But the one I'm using right now is this one right here. It's called Strictly Curls. It's by Mark Anthony. Right now my hair is like in its natural state. I have no products or anything. I just want it to be natural so I can show you guys the difference. In order to use curling creams, well, I don't know if it's all of them, but most of them you have to use it when your hair is wet. So I'm gonna go take a shower real quick and I'm gonna show you guys when my hair is wet, alright? So, yeah. Alright guys, so step number 1 was just getting your hair wet, right? Step number 2 is, you know, applying the curling cream. I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it. So, you know, get like about that much. Well, depending on how long your hair is. Rub the curling cream in your hands and then just, you know, put it on your ends. I usually flip my hair frontwards and I just go like this. Apply the curling cream on first. And then after that, you scrunch the bottom of your hair. So just go like this. This helps you get curls. Curling cream and scrunching your hair is the only thing I did so far to make my hair curly. Scrunch your hair for like about 3 minutes or 4 minutes. I mean, if you have long hair, it's probably gonna be like 5 minutes. But if you have like medium or short hair, do it for like 2 or 3 minutes. My hair is already starting to look curly, as you guys can see that. You see that? See those curls? If you add this to your hair routine, guys, and if you do it like consistently, like for like maybe 2 months, your hair will start becoming more curly, you know? That's why my hair, like, it used to be straight, but now it's a little bit more curly because I've been using this curling product for like 4 months now. And ever since, like, even if I don't use it, my hair still turns curly. It's like perming your hair in a natural way, in a weird way. You know what I mean? Alright guys, now we're ready for the final step, and that's blow drying your hair. You know how like I scrunched my hair when it was wet applying the product? We're gonna do the same thing with the blow dryer. If you guys get a blow dryer, try to get one that has like hot, warm, and cool air. So like, I always use the cool section. So like, yeah. So yeah, let's get this thing thick. I know I look weird doing this, you know, like what is this boy doing? But trust me, it actually works. It makes your hair thick and curly, trust me. You don't believe me? Then try it yourself. You'll see your hair looking more thick and more curly, and all you need is a curling cream and a blow dryer. That's basically it. It made my hair curly, hey! Alright guys, my hair finally dried, and as you guys can see, it got more curlier, and it actually works. This curling cream actually works. This is how it looks like after. As you guys can see, it got a lot thicker. And just by simply, you know, blow drying it and applying this product, that's it. Let me show you the back and so you guys can have a better look. Yeah guys, look at that. Do you guys see those curls? Bro. So yeah guys, that's my secret to getting curly hair. It's pretty simple. It's only like 3 steps. Like, first thing you do is wet your hair. The second step is you apply this when your hair is wet, and like also scrunch your hair when it's wet. And then like the third step is you just blow dry your hair and scrunch it as well. And then that's it. Once your hair is dry, it's gonna be curly. And I recommend blow drying your hair because blow drying your hair makes your hair thicker. But like, if you don't have time to blow dry your hair, like if you're in a rush, air drying it will be fine. But just so you know, your hair will look more thick if you blow dry it. Another thing that I should mention is try not to put too much product on your hair because then it'll just like drag your curls down. If you want your curls to puff up, like try to have as little product as you can. It's good to have product, but not too much. Just keep in mind that this sadly might not work for everyone because everyone has different hair types. My mom used this curling product as well, and she has like medium, like her hair is not thin but not thick, it's like medium, and it's straight. And she used it, it made her hair wavy, so I know it didn't make it curly, but at least it made it wavy. So So those of you guys that have straight hair, this might make your hair wavy. You never know, it might work for you. Everybody's hair is different, so you don't know until you try. So just give it a try, you have nothing to lose. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And I know it's pretty simple, pretty quick, but hopefully this video helped you guys out. And please like this video if it did help you guys out, and comment down below if you guys are gonna try this. Share this video with a friend that wants to make their hair more curlier. And this is natural. This is making your hair curlier naturally. Like, there's no perming involved. And don't forget to subscribe and join the Lion Army. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it for this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video.